Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix YouTube buffering problem. So if you try to play the YouTube but there is a buffering on your video, it means, or usually it's a problem, there's a problem with your internet connection. So make sure you use a good connection. Please a you need to reset your router if you need to. So and then you can go to your connection and sharing. Make sure you try not to try the VPNs. And also if you need, you can try to use a private DNS. You can search on the internet what DNS that best to your phone, to your location or your region. And then you can go to the YouTube app. You can hold the icon and go to the YouTube app info, scroll down, and this one you can tap open by default, and then open supported links. Make sure these 4 links is like this: youtube.be, youtube.com, youtube.com, www.youtube.com. So no need to change the supported links. And after that, you can try open your YouTube. But if if the YouTube still buffer, you can clear the cache by tap on storage usage. You can clear cache here. And also if you want to clear the data, if you still have your account, if you still have the problem still buffer, you can clear your data and re-log into your YouTube account. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.